Receive your new PayPal prepaid MasterCard? Well, let's get it activated so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Visit the activation page. We'll open your web browser and go to the official PayPal prepaid MasterCard activation page. Well, step 2 would be enter your card details. You'll be prompted to enter your 16-digit card number, the 3-digit CVC2 number from the back of your card, and your 4-digit PIN. Step 3. Provide personal information. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide any required personal information to verify your identity. Step 4. Complete activation. After entering all necessary information, click Register Now to complete the activation process. No, you gotta know, if you encounter any issues or prefer to activate your card by phone, you can call PayPal prepaid customer service at 1-888-633-9435 for assistance. Once activated, your PayPal prepaid MasterCard is ready to use for online and in-store purchases, ATM withdrawals, and more. Well, that's it. You're all set to start using your PayPal prepaid MasterCard. If this video helped, well, tap like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on setting up direct deposit or managing your prepaid account. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.